Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DocuSign API integration for contract workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up the DocuSign API integration for contract workflows, begin by creating a DocuSign developer account. Visit the DocuSign Developer Center at developers.docusign.com. Sign up for a free developer account if you don't already have one. Once you have your account, log in and navigate to the Apps and Keys section. Create a new integration key by clicking on Add Integration Key. Fill out the required information to generate your key. Note down your integration key, as you will need it for your API requests. Next, configure your integration key. Set the API and webhook URLs based on your application requirements. Enable the appropriate OAuth grants for your integration. Choose JWT for server-side integrations or authorization code for client-side flows. Configure the appropriate permissions for your integration key. Then, generate and save the RSA key pair for JWT authentication. Download the private key file and store it securely. Next, you need to install the DocuSign API client library. If you're using Node.js, run the appropriate npm command to install the SDK. For Python, use pip to install the necessary library. Refer to the official documentation for other programming languages. Now, set up your API client in your application. Authenticate with the DocuSign API using your integration key and private key. Use the JWT grant flow to request an access token. Make sure you handle token expiration correctly in your application. Once authenticated, you can start interacting with the DocuSign API. Create a new envelope by setting up the envelope definition. Define the recipients and their roles in the envelope. Add documents you need to send for signing. Configure the email subject and message to recipients. Next, use the DocuSign API to send the envelope for signature. Monitor the status of the envelope through the API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.